Hello, good day. It's February 23rd, 2024. Today I'm going to be talking about this circuit that I used for my last video and explain the problem which is with my transformers. Now when I add a fourth transformer to these three, I get 75 volts, but there's too much copper losses going on and it causes too much current to be drawn from the wall receptacle, and defeats the whole purpose of the power supply current saver. So it doesn't save current at all. So the problem is the wires are too thin. Way too thin. Now, for these transformers down here, bigger ones, 500 watt, they use this kind of copper magnet wire. And it is 16 gauge when it should be 14 gauge. Is that what you have in your wall? In your wiring? Now, I got one transformer open here, and I'll see if you can see the wires in there. You can see them, but not very well. But they're even smaller, they're like 18 gauge. Doesn't focus very well. And that's the problem. Because at 120 volts, or 75 volts or higher, it causes electrons to bounce around more, faster, and they need more space to bounce around. And if they don't have enough space, they'll penetrate the insulation, or in this case, the magnet wire is just some kind of, looks like enamel on it or something. And then it'll cause it to, could cause it to melt, and it'll short out, even catch on fire if it's left on too long, because it could heat up. And that could happen even without the fuse or the breaker switch turning off. But I have another plan now. What I'm going to do is, see the yellow cord here is a straight through branch that goes to points A and B. I'm going to try to add more of those in the circuit. That would cut the transformers I need down in half. I didn't think I could do it before because I thought they would short out. But I don't think so, because they're separated by a secondary coil, and that's equivalent to a primary coil when you hook one of those up to the input. So I'll try that out, and I'll be using these 10-to-1 step-down transformers that put out 15 volts AC to each branch. And I'll create 120 volts with that, and I'll see if that saves any current. If not, I have to go to 240 volts. But then I'm going to have too many transformers again, and that could cause copper losses, but I'll be able to prove something with it. So until then I rectify this problem, I can't do much else. Get someone custom make transformers for me, or get the funding to manufacture them myself. That would cost quite a bit. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. Talk to you later.